Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to install the Dropshiply Chrome extension. Okay, all you gotta do is click inside the dashboard, the button download now. Okay, right here, and then you just have to. You're gonna be brought to the. You're gonna be taken to the Chrome web store, and just click on Add to Chrome. Just follow the process, okay, and click on Add Extension right here. Okay, and it will be added immediately. Okay, and it's very important that you have the Chrome browser, otherwise the extension won't work. Okay, once it's added, okay, you want to click on the extensions tab, okay, right here, and then you want to pin it. Okay, you just want to pin it, so it's going to be available for you to click right here. Okay, and it will be in your menu. Okay, and you'll have it installed in your Chrome browser. Okay, remember, once again, you need Chrome. The extension won't work with other browsers. Okay, so now that you have installed the extension, there's another important step you need to take. You need to authenticate it, okay, with your Dropshiply store, okay, to make sure that everything works and you can import products to your store. Okay, so you just click on the Dropshiply extension icon, okay, at the top, this one, and then you just have to insert your store URL, okay, and the email that you use to register your account with. Okay, so for the store URL, you just copy paste it from here. Okay, don't worry about the certificate, I'm just testing everything is good. So just here you copy paste from here, okay, and then you insert it right here. Okay, so I'm just going to place it here now, paste. Okay, so this is my store URL. Okay, like I said, this one is mine. Make sure that you copy paste yours exactly as is. Okay, so subdomain, okay, and then mydropshiply.com. okay, even if you have a custom domain with your store, you still have to use the base URL, which is, you know, yourstore.mydropshiply.com, okay, with no dash at the end. Okay, then you just enter your registered email, I mean the email that you use to register your account. So this one's gonna be for me. Okay, and then you just basically you just click on login to store. Okay, if your credentials are correct, you'll see this message, store connected successfully. Okay, this is how you authenticate the Chrome extension with your store, so now you'll be able to use it. Okay, oh, and if you have multiple stores built with Dropshiply, you just click on connect another, and the button right here, you'll be able to authenticate the extension with another store of yours. Okay, as soon as you add more stores, they will be showing up here in the drop down menu. Okay, so you don't need to log into your Chrome extension multiple times when you work with many stores. Okay, oh, and in case you want to remove stores from your list, select the store right here from the drop down menu, and then just click this button right here at the top. Okay, the button won't delete your store from the system, okay, but will just deactivate it from the Chrome extension. Okay, so no worries. I'm not gonna do it now, by the way, because I need it for my next video. So that's how basically you connect your store with the Dropshiply Chrome extension, and that's it. I mean, now you're ready to import thousands of products to your store, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in the next video.